Hi guys, today I am going to unbox the new Beetel X70 digital cordless phone. This phone comes with a LCD backlight, two-way speakerphone, phone book, alarm and rechargeable battery. Now I am going to open the box. This is the handset. And this is the base unit. And this one is the power adapter. This is the user manual. And this is the connecting wire. And these are the two batteries for the handset. And these are the things. So guys, this is the unboxing video of the Beetel X70 digital cordless phone. I will put the product link in the description. Please check it out. And if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.